account challenge. The small account challenge. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. G Nice. Good morning, fam, and thank you for being the first individual to join. G Nice. Good morning. Texas Pick R. Good morning, fam. It's definitely been a while, but we back at it 3 times a week. Stock up. What's good, my brother? What's good? Stock up. Let me turn this up a little. All right, I think we're good. All right, family. So honestly, I'm expecting a little bit of bearish pressure today. I'm expecting a little bit of bearish pressure today. So if we break below our pre-market lows, that may signal a strong bearish trend towards the downside. And I want to cover a few reports that were released in pre-market. So we had one report. We had the ADP employment report that came in weaker than expected. That report, it was bearish. We also had the initial jobless claims report that was released at 8:30 a.m. That report was slightly bearish. And we had trade and export and imports. That report was neutral. But honestly, the overall tone may possibly shift bearish today. But remember, we have to wait patiently for the right setup for the bearish trend to, activate. But at this current moment, we're trying to, trade, above our EMAs. We're trying, and let me go to the higher time frame really quick. Okay. All right, so if we break out of this resistance zone, the Qs, that would have a strong bullish trend towards the upside. We have a lot of space up here if we break above this key level. A lot of space in this area up here. But honestly, I think we may shift towards the downside. Rashad, good morning, my brother. How you doing, man? We may possibly trend towards the downside if we can break below this key EMA right here. I'm going to set up an alert right there just in case we break below it. Yeah, family, we're just waiting, patiently for the right setup like we always do every single day, like we do every single day. Man, I'm feeling good, man. I was in traffic. So my office is about an hour and some change away from my home. So I was in rush hour traffic today, and it took me a little minute to get here. But your boy is here, and your boy is ready to, get this money. But man, overall, I'm feeling good. YT, good morning, family. Good morning. Welcome to the party. So shout out to everyone who has those little stars, little crowns next to their name. Shout out to everyone, family. I appreciate y'all. All right, family. So we have a bullish 5-minute candle on the open. Let's see how this thing is going to work out. I'm not in any trades at the moment, just waiting patiently for the right setup and the right, opportunity. Just waiting patiently. Not trying to rush into anything. Patience. Dang, that's a nice 5-minute bullish candle. Though. I wish I would have got up in there. That 5-minute bullish candle looked good. Man, that thing looking good, man. We missed out on the opportunity, family. We might break this. Oh, we just broke the pre-market high. Let's go. All right, now let's see if we're going to hold. So my account, it was honestly locked until 9:35 a.m. So I wouldn't have been able to trade that move anyway. But man, that was a beautiful move towards the upside. Now, let's see if we can hold. Let's see if we can hold. We have some more news coming out at 10 a.m. If this 5-minute candle turns bearish, I may try to go in for a quick scalp towards the downside. But we're looking bullish right now, so I wouldn't recommend anybody trying to, front run a bearish move. I would not recommend it. But this was a beautiful trend towards the upside. All right, come on, let's go. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. We had a little bit of selling pressure at 9:35 a.m. So I'm currently short on my current position. I'm currently short. Let's go.
Order
We had a
filled.
little bit more right here. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Beautiful. Let's go.
Order
All right, we
filled.
take those profits. All right, so for the day, currently up some small change, about 58 bucks on that quick, short position towards the downside.
Order
All right, we'll
filled.
buy a little bit more right here. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right,
Order
we'll
filled.
take those profits. Currently up $94.
Order
We get
filled.
back in 5 contracts. If we break above the intraday high, I'll stop out of this position. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. Beautiful. That's what I like to see. Keep going. We pulling back. All right.
Order
We'll
filled.
take those profits. Currently up $148.66.
Order
We get
filled.
back in right here. Currently trading in small account. Small account challenge. Let's go. Beautiful. Come on. Keep going. Beautiful. That's what I like to see.
Order
All right. We'll
filled.
take profits. All right. So I just secured profits right there as well. Thinking about getting back in if we start dropping below the EMAs. See, I told y'all, family, it was a possibility that we were going to get that pullback. And look at it. We just got that pullback. Let's go. Let's go. Thinking about buying a little bit more because we currently put with
Order
buy a
filled.
little bit more right here, family. Look like the buyers are trying to sneak in on us. Come on, keep. Oh, beautiful.
Order
We take
filled.
those profits. All right, just secure profits again. We're currently trading near the EMAs, and let me pull up the big screen for us so you all can see why your boy decided to short. All right, so I decided to go short because I noticed that we had some turbulence right here. Hold on one second, family. Let me get back in right here. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Oh, don't bounce on me. Don't bounce on me. Keep pulling back. I may add a little bit more if we drop below this key. Oh, beautiful. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. I may add 5 more contracts if we lose this level. I'm waiting for us to break below $23,480. And it looked like we're about to get it. Come on, let's go. Come on, keep going. Don't fake us out. Let me set up another alert. Because that news that came out in pre-market, it was bearish. Let's see if the market is going to continue to react to the bearish news in a bearish way. Come on. Don't bounce on me. Come on. Pull back. Pull back. All right, so the buyers, they're coming in. Man, I was kind of talking and missed my damn, early entry point. But I'm not going to panic. Currently down 100 and some change at the moment. I feel like it's going to pull back. I just got to wait patiently, though. Got to wait patiently. All right, so I'm currently down in this position about 100 and some change. Currently short on NQ. Just scalping in real time. Currently up about $216.91 for the day. I'm going to adjust my stop loss. It's already in place, 500 max. Come on, let's go. Let's see if we can get that drop back towards that 450 level. I'll take profits somewhere in that area. Come on, I know this thing going to pull back. Come on. I know you want to pull back. There we go. All right, fam. Let me add a little bit more right here. Risky play. Let's go. Currently holding 10 contracts. Beautiful. Come on, give us that pullback. Come on, give us that pullback. Come on. There we go. That's what I like to see, huh? That's what I like to see. You take those profits. All right, just secure profits, family. I'm about to get back in 5 contracts. Come on, keep going. Beautiful. 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 All right, I'm gonna take those profits. Currently up $387. All right, I'm thinking about getting back in, but I don't want to oversize. We start off with 3 contracts. Come on, let's go. Let me change my screen to see the profits in real time. All right, so I'm currently holding 3 contracts. I may buy a little bit more. We have news coming out in 18 minutes. Try my best not to be greedy. Oh my God, beautiful. Let's go. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Order
We'll take
filled.
those profits. Just secure profits, family. Currently up $424.44 for the day. Let's go. We starting this day off on the right note, family. Small account challenge. Let's go, baby. Let's go back to the big screen really quick so you can understand why your boy went short. All right, so on the open, I identified that it was a bullish run on the open. We had these 1 minute. Hold on one second, family. Yeah, so on the open, we had these 1 minute bullish candles trending above the EMAs. If you were on the live stream a few days ago, I mentioned that, hey, whenever we're trading above the EMAs, we're bullish. And whenever we're trading below the EMAs, we're bearish. In this case, on the open for the first 5 minutes of the trading day, we were bullish, right? And next thing you know, I identified using my TTM scalper alert. That's a technical indicator that I use with Thinkorswim. You see this green candle right here? That was a strong rejection. Anytime I see that, I'm looking for a quick scalp with the method that I trade, every single day. So I noticed that we had a strong rejection right here at 9:35 a.m. based on this green arrow. And next thing you know, I started to size up in this area for a quick short position towards the downside. And I was able to make, in a matter of probably, let me see, from 9:35 through 9:42 a.m., I was able to make $424.44. Now, let's go back to my platform so you all can see where was my, buys and sells located at. So my first buy All right, so $424.44. My trade win percentage was 90% so far today. And if we go to the first buy, my first buy today was at 9:35 a.m. So I got in at a perfect, time, and then I sold my last position at 9:41 a.m. close to the 9:42 candle. So if we go back to the chart, if we look at the chart, right? Let's go back to the chart really quick so you all can see this in real time. If you look at the chart, I sold close to this candle right here at 9:42, and guess what helped me out? My TTM scalper alert, this little red arrow at the bottom of the candlestick. So I sold right here and I got in right here. So I was only in this play for about 6 through 7 minutes max, in and out, and your boy was able to make 400 and some odd dollars in a matter of 6 through 7 minutes. So if you're a new trader and you're thinking about coming into this game, I just want you to know that you can definitely, make some money with a small account. And the primary way that you can get a small account is with trading with a prop firm. So the prop firm that I trade with is Top Step. And with Top Step, you pay $50 for a challenge account. Once you pass that challenge account, you pay $150 for the funded account. So that's a $200 investment. So you're basically starting off with a $200 investment in the firm. They'll give you that funded account to get your day trading career, started. So just keep that in mind. You don't really need a lot of money to start, day trading. All right, family, let's go back to the chart and let's see if we can get some more action. We have news coming out in 14 minutes. All right, so I'm going to make a few adjustments really quick. I'm going to make some adjustments and we're going to focus on one of our favorite strategies that we like utilizing on a daily basis. And that's the 15-minute ORB strategy. The 15-minute ORB. So with that strategy, we're utilizing the first 15 minutes resistance and the first 15-minute support. And that's based on the first 15-minute high and the first 15-minute low. All right, so the first 15-minute low is at 23,457. So that's going to be support. And this is how you set up support and resistance in real time. And we have a resistance at 23,548.25. That's going to be our resistance. All right, so at this current moment, we're bullish because we're trading above VWAP and the EMAs. Let's go back to the 1 minute time frame so we can get a quick read on the market. I like utilizing the 1 minute time frame because it helped me, analyze the market and the buying and selling pressure at a faster rate. Then I'll adjust to maybe the 5 or 15-minute time frame for a sense of, market direction and trend direction. But at this current moment, we're currently above the EMAs, but we may have another short opportunity towards the downside. So let's be patient. Let's wait for the right opportunity. And I'm going to set up an alert for us. We get back in right here. So I'm currently short. Let's go. Come on. There we go. Beautiful. I'm going to take those profits. Just secure profits from that short position. We have a 1 minute bearish candle developing. Strong 1 minute bearish candle at that. Thinking about getting back in. We get back in right here, family. 3 contracts. Let's go. Beautiful. I'm going to take those profits. Whoo, that was beautiful, family. Let's go. That was beautiful, man. That's how you do it. Small account challenge. All right, family. So for the day, I'm currently at $505.50 at this current moment. And let me look at the chat really quick. Let me look at the chat. Let me see. YT said, dang, an hour. I live in Houston. That would be a 2.5 hour drive. I'm assuming Houston traffic is crazy. Damn. Let me see. Rashad said S&P data come out in 4 minutes. Yep. And we have some additional data coming out, Rashad, in 11 minutes. So I think I'm gonna sit on my hands for the next, 11 minutes. I don't want to rush into anything. I'm already up about, 500 and some change for the day with about maybe 10 minutes of trading. So that's pretty good, to start off the day. Let's go back to the big quick, family. This is the small account challenge, how to grow a small account. And the strategy that I'm using, that's a great strategy to grow your small account. A G nice, a fam. I really appreciate that comment. I really do, fam. I'm just trying my best to, give you all the education that I didn't have when I first started out with day trading. My first maybe like 5 years of day trading, I was struggling a lot, man. So the success that you all see me having right now, it did not happen overnight. I'm currently, going on, let me see. I've been trading for about 5 years and 9 months now. So I'm just starting to see some success with day trading within the past, 9 months. I've been able to get about, I think, close to maybe 17 through $18,000 in payouts from the prop firm, utilizing their cash, but it did not happen overnight. So if you all, feel like you ever getting discouraged, just think about your boy Money Spence story. I've been day trading, going on 6 years now, and I'm just starting to see some success within the past, 9 months. So make sure you all stay with it, stay committed. Make sure you have your discipline in place, because your discipline, that's going to keep you from giving up. Your discipline is going to keep you going. It's going to keep you, you know, um, feeling, motivated, because emotions, they can fade, but when you got that discipline is going to keep you going, family. So make sure you always keep that in mind. You got to have discipline to really succeed in this industry. And every single day, even when I was, taking, massive L's, I would still wake up every single day and I would get to it no matter what. I would still wake up every single day, even if the previous day I just lost, 10,000 or, 15,000. The next day, I would still get up and get after it. So make sure you all have your discipline in place, because that's what's going to keep you in the game long term. All right, so let's go back to the chart. Let's go back to the chart really quick. I'm going to set up some trend lines for us. I want to see if we're going to hold these trend lines. And if you all could do me a favor, please click that like button. We have about 20 members on here at the moment. Please click that like button so this information can pop up in the YouTube algorithm. Man, I want to get back in, but I don't want to get faked out. So I want to highlight something for you all. So right here, we had a strong bearish selling pressure, right? So if we break below this bearish candle, it's a strong possibility that we're going to go lower towards the downside. So I'm going to highlight this zone right here because it's going to be extremely important. It's going to be extremely important. Let's go, family. All right, so right now we're just waiting patiently for the 10 o'clock data to be released. At this current moment, we've been trading the bearish move towards the downside. So we caught this move right here, and I'm going to highlight the move that we caught. And you know what? I'm going to remove all of the studies just so we can have a clean chart. We caught this bearish move right here towards the downside, right here. This was my $500 play today. And I'm thinking about getting back in because this 1 minute bearish candle right here, it's, moving lower. Now, if we drop below this 457 level, I'm thinking about getting in short. I may get in short if we drop below this 457 level. We have 6 more minutes before this news is released. All right, let's go to our technical indicators and let's add VWAP to our screen now. So with VWAP, we're currently trading below VWAP, so we're currently bearish intraday. And let me check out the watch list to see what all the other stocks are doing. So at this current moment, Microsoft is down, Nvidia is down, Google is down, and AMD is currently down. We just need to wait patiently for this news release. Now, I would probably recommend that everyone try your best to get out of your positions by 9:59 a.m. because at that time frame, you're going to see a massive candle towards the upside or downside, possibly. So get ready. Get ready, family. All right, let me remove that. And if we break below this 1 minute bearish candle right here, we may go lower. And let me go to the hour time frame really quick. So we have a 1 hour bearish candle developing on our chart. We have a 1 hour bearish candle developing. If we break below 457 today, we may go lower. And you all might be able to see me make $1,000 today. So let's see. Let's see. Beautiful bearish move right here from 9:35 through 9:50 a.m. So right now we're currently on the 5-minute time frame. We have our resistance and support levels in place. So get ready, family. Get ready. We're currently bearish. So a lot of people who traded this on the open, they got faked out, but we didn't. We waited patiently for the right opportunity. All right, so let me stop talking because I may have a quick short position. Let me get in right here. Come on, beautiful. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. Just went short. So I got faked out. Got faked out and we bounced. We have news coming out in 4 minutes. I'm going to sell this position soon. Trying to wait patiently to see if we're going to drop. Fuck. I knew I shouldn't have got in this damn position. I knew it. Trying to be greedy. Trying to be greedy. Look at that. Trying to be greedy. News coming out in 3 minutes. And now I'm like, shit, I don't want to sell. I thought we were about to drop below the pre-market low. Thought we were about to drop below that level. All right, so on this current position, I'm down 100 and some odd change at the moment. News coming out in 2 minutes. Get ready. I do not want to hold this position going into this damn news, bro. But I also don't want to take this loss. Decisions. Come on, pull back for us a little bit more. Rashad said, sell, sell, sell. Amen. I'm thinking about it, man. I am thinking about selling this bad boy. The good thing, though, it's only 3 contracts, thank God. But, man, I'm thinking about selling this motherfucker. But I'm also thinking about holding it because of the news that we had in pre-market, because we might, continue to go lower. So, I don't know. I may hold it, family. All right, so we're starting to pull back now. I got about 19 more points to go. News coming out in 1 minute and 10 seconds. Thinking about holding on to this trade going into the news. It's going to be extremely risky, though, family. It's going to be risky. All right, news coming out in 40 seconds. Get ready. Get ready. On this current position, I'm currently down about 100 and some change at the moment. Get ready, family. It's about to be a wild roller coaster. And let me change my screen so you all can see how the market is going to react when this news is released. Let me show you all. All right, news coming out in 20 seconds. News coming out in 20 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. Scared money don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. All right. Take my loss. All right. So I just took a loss from that position for $84. Just took a loss for 84 bucks. And I probably, oh my God, I probably should have stayed in because we did pull back. You see that? We pulled back. I could have sold right there, but I didn't want to risk it, Didn't want to risk it. But if we drop below 457, I'm getting back in short. 3 contracts starting out. All right, I just went short, family. Risky play here because the news was just released, so it's a risky ass play. Hopefully this thing don't fake me out. All right, so we're currently trading below VWAP. Let me share my other screen really quick. Let's see how this baby is going to work out. All right, let's go. I may add more if we start dropping. I may add more. Starting off small. All right, so I'm currently holding 5 contracts at the moment. I may add more if we drop below this key level. Hopefully this is not a fake out. Come on, keep dropping. Keep dropping. Currently short, currently green on the play, honey. Let's go. All right, so I'm going to add 5 more, family. Currently holding 10 contracts. Let's see if this thing going to work out for us. Let's go, honey. Come on, baby. Let the good times roll. Come on. We may go lower. We may go lower. Come on. So I was just up nice on this play, but then we started to bounce. Beautiful. Let's go. Let's go. Currently up nice on this position. The Qs just dropped below a key level. We got some selling pressure in place. Let's see how this baby is going to play out. I got an alert set in place for us. If we drop below this key level, it's showtime towards the downside, family. Let's go. Let's get it. About to be showtime. Oh my God. Beautiful. All right, I'm going to take those profits, family. All right, I'm going to get back in right here. Come on. Keep going. Come on. That was a key level. Keep going, honey. Let's go. Talk to us nice. Come on. Give us this money. Currently holding 5 contracts, family. I'm going to sell this position soon. But I don't know. I may hold on to it because it looked like we want to go lower. Come on. Keep going lower. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Beautiful. I'm going to take those profits. Woo. That was beautiful, family. All right. So let me see. In this small account, so for the day, I am currently up $787.68. My winning percentage is 88.89%. And let me see. And it's only 34 minutes into the trading day, family. 34 minutes, and I'm thinking about getting back in. This is a strong 5-minute bearish candle. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Don't fake us out here, man. Don't fake us out. We broke below a key level, family. We may go lower. We may go lower. We may go lower. Come on. Keep going. Fuck. I'm waiting for this massive drop. It looked like we're going to get it. We just got to wait patiently. We got to wait patiently, family. We have a strong 5-minute bearish candle that developed on our chart. This thing may go lower, so get ready. Get ready. Beautiful. Beautiful. Damn. Hey, family, we are currently pulling back. And you know what? Your boy, I'm up a nice amount of money for the day. And guess what? I do not want to give this money back. And remember, discipline. So you know what I'm going to do so I can keep my discipline in place? I'm going to lock this damn account. I'm going to lock this account. I made a decent amount today. There's no need to be greedy. No need to be greedy. Yesterday, I was being greedy. And, I blew one of my, funded accounts. But this is a new funded account today. And we made $786.48. So remember, family, try your best not to be greedy and know when to call it quits. Your boy, I'm going to call it quits in this account. And let's go back to the big screen so you can see why we decided to go short towards the downside. Small account challenge, family. Let's go. Let's get it. Ain't too many people out here doing it like this. All right. So if we look at our chart, we had a strong 5-minute bearish candle right here at 9:35 a.m. And before the market opened up, I covered the fact that, the reports that was released in pre-market, those reports were bearish. And I said, hey, we may have an opportunity for a bearish trend towards the downside. And look at it. We had that opportunity for a bearish trend towards the downside. And we dominated it in real time, right? So we caught this whole move right here towards the downside. And guess where your boy Money Spence sold his entire position at? Right here at 10:05 a.m. So the primary reason we went short because we were trading below VWAP and we had a number of bearish candles on our chart. And if you look at the 15-minute ORB white support line, anytime we break below that, it's a strong possibility that we're going lower. And that's exactly what happened. We went lower. So let me check the chat out. Let me see. G Nice says, same. I'm up 60 for the day. Jump in a couple of your puts. I'm happy. Hey, G Nice, great job, family. I'm happy as well, man. I'm going to call it a day. Your boy made some money, and we will be back at it tomorrow. Everyone have a safe, blessed day, and thank you for rocking with your boy, Money Spence. I'm out, family. Peace.